You can measure length like we did in the last lesson with inches and feet and yards and miles, or you can use the metric system. The metric system uses prefixes, so everything is a meter, but it might be a regular meter, a centimeter, a kilometer. There's more that you'll learn someday. Probably they're associated with your science class a lot, but for right now, 5th grade math, we're doing millimeters, centimeters, meters. That's all we're concerned about. So look at the pictures for reference first. A millimeter is teeny, 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 tiny. It's not the width of a dime, it's the thickness of a dime. This is a millimeter. It's little. Hold your fingers as close as you can together, and the distance between your fingernails, that's a millimeter. Tiny millimeter. A centimeter is a little bigger. It takes 10 millimeters to make a centimeter. So it's more like about that big. That's a centimeter. And then a meter is this big. It's like a meter stick, like the length of a baseball bat. Hold your arms as wide as they'll go. That's a meter. So we got millimeter, centimeter, meter. So if you look at the chart down here in the corner, it takes 10 millimeters to make 1 centimeter. It takes 100 centimeters to make a meter. And then the big one that we haven't talked about is kilometer. I can't put a kilometer on the screen because a kilometer is a little less than a mile. It takes 1,000 meters to make a kilometer. So a kilometer is, if you'd have to have go-go gadget arms that would stretch and stretch and stretch to do a kilometer. Now, if you look at the ruler here, this is centimeters. This is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters. So they're about this big. But if you blow it up so you can see real close, all these little tiny marks in between, all those little teeny tiny marks, those are all millimeters because it takes 10 of those to make 1 centimeter. Now, if we look at a meter stick, here's part of a meter stick. Remember we said it takes 100 centimeters to make a meter. So each of these right here between the marks is a centimeter. And those teeny, teeny, tiny ones, teeny, tiny marks that you can hardly see, those are the centimeters. So first thing you got to do is get in your head what they look like. So tell yourself again, millimeter, teeny, 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 tiny. Centimeter is about that big. Meter is your arms. And kilometer, you'd have to have go gadget arms. So stay tuned for some practice on how to convert these in just a moment.